my chest. I've done my cafeteria. No! Oh my God. Guys, they got me in weapons. Someone's got to call an emergency meeting. Oh, buddy. I didn't even see him. He was hiding. He must have vented. Oh, look at the bone. That does not look good. Halloween is around the corner. You guys need a costume. I'm here to help. This year, Among Us is huge. There's 1,000,001 costumes on how to be an Among Us character, but they're all the same. Today, I want to try and alter the costume for Among Us so it can be a little bit more creative. Instead of being an Among Us character where you're just running around, which is fun, I'm gonna show you guys how to be a dead Among Us character that's actually holding your own body. We need to locate a helmet. Let's see what we can find.
Good afternoon, Police City of Total Volcano speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if you guys had any astronaut helmets.
Astronaut helmet? Give me 1 second.
Sure.
Yes, we do.
Okay, perfect. I'll come by and pick it up then. First store we called, we were able to locate a helmet. I knew it wasn't gonna be that hard. Let's go. Things just got a lot more hard. Wow, that sounds bad. Went in there, asked the guy if they had an astronaut helmet, and he said we have the soft ones, and those ones are so sad. And not at all what we're looking for, so we're gonna have to start to find it. This is the problem now. Next up, Michael's. This helmet is gonna be a big problem. I wish I'd asked if it was gonna be the soft helmet or the hard one. I should have known. Send an astronaut to space in a soft helmet and see what happens to their head. It would like implode. We're going to Michael's now. We gotta get a bone. In the game, like when you get killed, there's like a bone sticking out. It's turning out to be a harder task than I thought. Michael's never lets me down. Huge problem. This is becoming a huge problem. Of every store near me, I thought Michael's would still have Halloween or like a bone. We're not even at Halloween yet. They've switched everything over to Christmas. No bones. Like, we're walking back to the party store now. They should have a bone there. If they don't, we're gonna have to reconsider. Okay, we're back. Do not let me down. Please have a bone. Perfect. Swing! We got the bones. Just the helmet is the issue right now. Guys, I have to update you. A lot has changed. Another Spirit Halloween. There's two. So we pop into the other one and found this. This checks off everything we need for this costume in one go. We're gonna take the Fortnite Dark Voyager. So it's kind of like an astronaut. It comes with a helmet. Soft, but it's a hard shield helmet. I went with extra large because I wanted to get as like the max amount of material. The idea here is we're gonna cut this in half and make this our Among Us character. It's perfect. And as I was cashing out, I got some Pokemon cards. Now, I've never seen Pokemon cards branded like this, so I don't know if they're fake, but Kyle said, no, they're not fake. Let's do a Pokemon draw right now. Encham. Oh, it's a holographic Gyarados. Can you see that? That's pretty good. As a kid, I'd be losing my mind right now. Are you not impressed? I'm so impressed we got a holographic. I'm gonna look up on eBay right now what this is worth. Googled it. 48 cents for this. Are you kidding? I thought I hit gold, man. Day two, we now have everything we need. It's all assembly from this point. This morning, I actually went to the store and I picked up some tall coveralls. Now, depending on how tall you are, you may not need to get these. The extra large suit that I had on yesterday, it's like a medium for me, so it didn't actually fit with extra material. For this illusion to work, you're gonna need to have pants that go above your belly button and shirts that go below your crotch. Step one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our tall coveralls, we're gonna cut them in half right here. Now, if I had these on, this would be well above my waist. For the illusion, you're gonna have to do this. So essentially we just made pants. And I know what you're thinking, Dan, why didn't you just get pants? I want them to match. So we got the same coverall material. You'll notice, like, look how high up it goes. My belly button's here. It's well above my belly button. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the pants that we just cut, flip them over. We would usually have our knees here and here. We're gonna cut like a little T. So just where the knees are, just make a T cut. The whole idea here is that we can actually put our foot in here and control the bottom half so it looks like our legs are actually in the pants. It looks like I've got the pants on, but really, they're just in the back half. So this gives the illusion that I'm actually controlling it, but I don't actually have pants on. So when I'm like this, it's gonna look like my body's cut in half. Oops. Oops. Next, we're gonna grab our second pair of coveralls. We're just gonna cut it lower than where our waist would usually be. Okay, pants are gone. We've essentially made like a jacket now. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna flip this over so it's on its back. Do the same thing that we did with the pants, the T-cut. We're gonna do it just like probably a foot below the neckline, and from shoulder blade to shoulder blade, we're gonna do a cut. Same thing with the knees, we just did a giant one on the back of this. Same effect, put our head through here, put our arms through here. So we're going through the back again. And now it looks like I've got the tracksuit on, but again, I don't. Here's a very rough example of what it's gonna look like. So if I get a pillow, put a pillow in the waistline, kind of have the effect. Yeah? Do you see it a little bit? Yeah. Okay, here's the rough cut. Ah! What we're lacking is the bone that's sticking out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the foam core, cut a waistline, stick the bone in. Will be our waistline. Yo, that's perfect. Just as wide as the bone. Next, we're gonna take it, shove it back into the pants. Ooh. Oh, that's so good. That is perfect. Just like in Among Us. And so essentially that is the costume. Somebody call an emergency meeting. I've been cut in half. So at this point, our costume is pretty much done. Let me show you guys how you're gonna have to do this. So you have your pants where you're in the bottom half. So you're gonna stand like this, and then you're gonna rotate the pants to your left, and then bend your hips so this drapes down. Okay, so it looks like this. But really what's happening from the back is you're curving. And where your body's curving, this, instead of showing that, it's draping it and giving you the illusion that your body is still there. You can look in the mirror and figure out how the leg work should go, like, oh buddy. You just gotta figure out the workings. But it's like this to like that. There you guys have it. That is how you make a Among Us character that's been cut in half. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you do try this costume, please be sure to tag me on Instagram @Danocracy. I'll reshare it on my story. That's one of my favorite things is when I see you guys try DIYs that I've shown you how to do. Love it. So be sure to tag and follow @Danocracy on Instagram for more. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, I gotta call an emergency meeting.